In China, the future is already here. A new video from Chinese robotics manufacturer UB shows how dozens of industrial robots, known as Walker S1, operate in the factories of the biggest automakers in the nation. As is well known, firms such as BYD have already started training humanoid robots. Standing 172 centimeters tall and weighing 76 kilograms, the Walker S1 can carry boxes, tighten screws, and assemble and sort parts. Robotic manipulators now handle 70% of all automated production jobs. UB Tech intends to use robotic humanoids to automate an extra 20% of its procedures. Only 10% of the jobs, mostly involving coordination and tool management, will still be performed by people under this scenario. Humanoid robots can lessen reliance on human labor and manufacturing in the face of a skilled labor shortage. This kind of robot has never before been incorporated into a single system alongside intelligent production management systems and unmanned transport vehicles. Apart from BYD, the state-owned Dongfeng Motor, the FAW Volkswagen joint venture, and Geely are among the company's customers in the automotive sector. The robotic humanoid developed by Reflex Robotics is still being improved. It was recently disclosed that their most recent model can pick up new duties by watching employees' actions in as little as 60 minutes. This robot's affordability, it costs 20 times less than comparable products on the market, is one of its key benefits. The robot can swiftly adjust to new situations and become completely autonomous in just 1 hour because of its integrated machine learning algorithms. Reflex can operate well in tight places and engage with items at various heights thanks to its mobile wheelbase and sensor-equipped manipulators. Reflex humanoid robots are currently being tested at logistics hubs and warehouses, proving their efficiency in a range of jobs. A new universal robot that is nearly identical to a living human has been unveiled by Topsino, a Chinese company that makes robotic dolls intended to replace women. This intricately detailed robotic doll model is meant to be used for a variety of activities, such as companionship, art, photography, and instructional displays. Because the robots are constructed from premium silicone, they have a realistic skin texture and are long-lasting. Because of their highly precise anatomy, they resemble real persons in appearance. Depending on the model, the female robots have different sizes. There are options for various body types and heights between 153 and 169 centimeters. Additionally, buyers have the option to select certain characteristics like eye color, hairdo, makeup, and other aspects of look. The RRS Plus technology, which guarantees an even more realistic cosmetics and skin texture, is one of the brand's primary features. Additionally, some Topsino models have strengthened joints, which increase their stability when assuming different poses. The model and options chosen determine the cost. Generally speaking, dolls start at $1,800 and can cost up to $4,500 for models with more features. In addition, the Japanese are keeping up with their Chinese counterparts by creating a robot that may one day take the place of lonely men in their lives. The Type model is one such robot doll. Because of its premium silicone construction, it has a texture that resembles genuine skin. A metal frame with joints makes up the robot's skeleton, which enables it to be positioned in different ways. It can grow up to 170 centimeters in height and weigh up to 50 kilograms. People who are lonely or looking for an alternative to conventional relationships can find companionship in these robots. The manufacturer, materials, and degree of detail all affect how much these robots cost. The costs vary from $1,500 to $5,000 or more. A video of industrial robots playing a musical composition was posted by New Zealand artist Nigel Stamford, and it has gone viral on the internet. The video shows how robots can be used into the creative process, as it examines the relationship between technology and music. The film opens with JAKO Robotics industrial robots playing a variety of musical instruments. One robot manipulates a bass guitar with a pick to create sound. Another plays the piano keys with the appropriate force and speed. And a third uses drumsticks to drum precisely and rhythmically. As the piece goes on, the robots start to lose control and use lasers and mechanical manipulations to damage the instruments and the stage, signifying their defiance of human authority. One of the best-known videos showing how industrial robots may be included into the artistic process is Automatica. It has received a lot of praise for its creative methodology, encouraging engineers and musicians to investigate fresh avenues for artistic human-machine interaction. The robotic arm JAKO was created by the Canadian company Konova Robotics to give those with restricted upper limb mobility more flexibility and autonomy. With the help of this advanced mechanical arm, users may carry out daily duties including opening doors, picking up objects, and engaging with their environment. JAKO, which is composed of strong and lightweight carbon fiber, has a 3-fingered gripper and 6 interconnected segments that replicate the functions of a human hand. Its 6 degrees of freedom design guarantees precise and fluid movement. Users can operate the arm with a joystick or other interfaces. After mounting it on power wheelchairs, the JAKO arm can lift things up to 1.5 kilograms in weight and has a 90 centimeters reach. It is quite versatile because it can execute up to 16 distinct movements. As more and more jobs are being replaced by robots, waiters in cafes and restaurants may soon be replaced. The autonomous waiter robot Survey, developed by the American company Bear Robotics, is intended to help in the service sector, specifically in cafes and restaurants. Survey can carry food and drinks with ease because it has 2 trays and a special area for gathering dishes. LiDAR sensors and several cameras allow Survey to move in complete autonomy. Narrow areas as tiny as 52 centimeters in width can be securely and precisely navigated by it. The robot can carry up to 30 kilograms of stuff at a time and run for 10 to 12 hours without needing to be recharged. Survey has a 7-inch touchscreen for easy interaction and can be controlled with a mobile application. It can be used to collect dirty dishes in addition to delivering meals, which greatly lessens the effort for employees. Mimis is a massive industrial robot created by engineers at the company Atanaton that shows interest in its surroundings. In contrast to conventional industrial robotic devices, Mimi is not designed to carry out preset motions. Rather, it freely investigates its surroundings, reacting to adjacent people and objects. Despite not having eyes, Mimis can see everyone nearby at once thanks to sensors built into the ceiling. The robot might come over and follow you if it thinks you're intriguing. Its interest is fleeting though. Mimis will become disinterested and turn its attention to someone else if you stand stationary for too long. Instead of only carrying out pre-programmed actions, the developers hope to build a robot that exhibits behavior based on interactions with its environment. Which robot from this video did you like best? Let us know in the comments. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you liked the video. I'll see you later.